So, welcome again on the second part of the chapter second, converting the binary number to decimal number. Today, in the last session we studied about binary to decimal. Now, in this session, we are going to learn converting binary number to decimal number. Means we given us the binary number. That binary number we have to convert in decimal number. Understand? So this is the one of the example, that is 1001111. 100111011. This is the binary number. We have to convert in decimal number. So this is the binary number. For that purpose, what we have to do? We have to arrange this binary digit in horizontal manner or place manner. In the place manner we have to arrange, and what we have to do? We have to write their position value. Their position value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 digits in the binary number. Correct? So first we have to write their position value of increasing value 2. And that position value we have to start from the rightmost digit. This is the rightmost digit, and this is the leftmost digit. Understand? We have to write the position value of this binary number in increasing order of 2. With increasing order of 2, starting with 0 point on the rightmost digit. See how we can manage, how we can write. Let us do now. Let us prepare the table. For that purpose, we have to prepare the table. See how we can write binary value bits. Binary value, that is called bits. Okay, binary value, that is called bits. Then position value. Then what you have to write? Numerical value. Okay, this type of table you have to prepare. See now how we can write this. This kind of table you prepared. Now here what do you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns you have to make here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this bit, binary value, these are the binary value or bits that you write here. This rightmost 1, this 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. In this way you first write the binary digits on the upper column, upper row. Now their position value we have to write with increasing order of 2, starting with point 0. Understand what I say? Their position value. What is his position? His position is 0 with increasing order of 2. Means we write 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0. What is its position? We have to start from rightmost. Every time you start from rightmost digit. Understand? 2 raised to 0. This is the position of this bit. Then 2 raised to 1. The second bit position. 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, and 2 raised to 7. These are the position value. This is called position value of this binary number. Understand? Now, what is their numerical value? These two bits and position value, what is their numerical value that we have to calculate here? What we have to do? We have to calculate their product. Their product we have to calculate here. Means that numerical value we should to write here. Understand? How we can write? See. 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0. 1 into 2 raised to 0. We write 1. Their product is 1. Okay? 2 raised to 1. 1 into 2 raised to 1. What we write? 2. What we write? 2. Their product, their multiplication is come 2. 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2. Now 0 into 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2. What comes? It comes 0. Because 2 raised to 2, we know that 4. 4 into 0. 4 into 0. 0. Understand? So it is 0. Because each and every number we can multiply with 0, the answer will be 0. Now this one. 1 into 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. How much comes? 2 raised to 4. We know that 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 1, 8. Means 2 raised to 3. What is the answer? 8. You write here 8. Okay. Again, this one. 1 into 2 raised to 4. What will come? 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Correct? So, what you write here? 16. 16 into 1, 16. So, you write here 16. Correct? Now, next. 0 into 2 raised to 5. 0 into 2 raised to 5. What will come? 2 raised to 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. Okay? 0 into 32, 0. So, what will come here? 0. What you write here? 0. Understand? Okay? Now, 0 into 2 raised to 6. 0 into 2 raised to 6. What will come? 2 into 2, 2 raised to 5. How much come? 32. 32 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 2, 64. 64 into 0, 0. The answer will be 0. What is next? 1 into 2 raised to 7. 1 into 2 raised to 7. The same way. 64. 6 times we know that. 64 is coming. Then 64 into 2, 128. 128 into 1, 128. So, what will come here? 128. 128. Understand? the position value and their product numerical value we can complete here. Okay. Now what is the next step? See, now what we have to do, this bits are multiplied with position value to get the value. Now what we do, we add this number. We add this number. How we can write? See, in this way we can write. This number we have to add from rightmost digit to leftmost digit. How we can write? 128 plus 0 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. Do the addition now here. Do the addition. 1 and 2, 3. 3 and 8, 11. 11 and 16, 27. 27. 128 plus 27. How much come? 15. 5. How much come? 155. 155. This is the decimal number of this binary number. This is the answer. Okay? This is the answer. Understand how we can calculate binary number? How you can convert binary number to decimal number? Understand? Okay. One more example we can solve. See. Another example we can take here, that is 110 Okay, this another example or another binary number we have taken. Now we have to convert this binary number to decimal number. Okay, let us start now. See, first we write from rightmost digit here. What? 0. First we write here. Then 1. Then 0. Then 1. Then 0. Then 1. Then 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 digits are there. Okay? That's why it is kept remains. Oh. Now write the position value of this binary number. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6. Okay? Now take the product